Welcome to the Moorhead-Outlet store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2005 New Holland BR780 with 7,000 bales. This round baler produces 5 by 6 foot bales in its variable bale chamber and features dual gauge wheels and hydraulic lift, along with a hydraulic bale tensioner and auto twine wrap control, and a Bale Counter and Bale Kicker. Thank you for viewing this New Holland BR780. Interested in this round baler? Give our sales staff a call at 877-886-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.